Tired of dragging dates in Excel every day? Let Excel do the heavy lifting, you just sip your coffee. Step 1. Type your starting date, for example, 1st June 2025. Step 2. Go to the Home tab, click Fill, then select Series. In the pop-up, choose rows or columns. Depending on how you want your dates, set the type to date. Pick your date unit, day, weekday, month, or year. Now set the stop value, for example, 30th June 2025. Hit OK and done. Excel fills the entire date range automatically. No dragging, no mistakes, just clean, quick data. Use this for attendance sheets, reports, or monthly planners. Like the trick? Then hit like, subscribe, and follow Mazedar tricks and tips for more such content.